Rĩrĩ thoko ya maguta ĩkoretwo na gĩthagathago kumana na mbara cia mabũrũri ma nanja. Minista wa hinya wa kũhũthĩka Opiyo nĩaugĩte bũrũri nĩ woete makinya marumu nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri wĩna maguta maiganu.
Under our government arrangements, cargoes have continued to be sourced from a wider set of loading regions beyond the Gulf. Every scheduled cargo has arrived and has been offloaded on time. The international oil companies who are our partners in the supply chain have been able to source these products from multiple sources over and above the traditional Gulf sources.
Oho nĩaugĩte igoti rĩrĩa rĩanyihirio kuma gĩcunjĩ gĩa 16 nginya gĩcunjĩ kĩa 8 harĩ 100 nĩrĩgũthiĩ na mbere kũrũgamĩra hau kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri ĩngĩ 3 yũkĩte.
As part of the government's commitment to cushioning households and businesses from international market volatility, and in consultation with the National Treasury, we have extended the application period of 8% for 8% of value added tax, that is VAT, on petroleum products for a further 3 months.
Wandai nĩerĩte Akenya matikagĩe na hahũ ya thogora kana kwaga kwa maguta, kuona thirikari nĩ ĩkĩrĩte mĩtaratara ya kũgitĩra Mũkenya.
In the July-August 2026 pricing cycle, the government will deploy a subsidy from the Petroleum Development Levy to the tune of Kenya shillings 945 million to sustain the current price levels. These interventions, ladies and gentlemen, reflect our broader commitment to protecting consumers, supporting businesses, and safeguarding the economy from external shocks.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Ngigĩ.